What's going on, guys? So come back to you today with another Ladybird video back in Barton Creek. Had some rain the past few days, and in my mind I'm thinking, that water is going to be flowing and it's going to be stained, which is really good for those super smart Barton fish. If you ever get stained water, go to Barton Creek. Fun fact, the best day of fishing I ever had in Barton was after a big rain. It was in November, and I was hopping a jig, and I absolutely destroyed him. Didn't catch any giants this trip, but boy, did I catch a lot of good quality, and man, were they hammering that spinnerbait. Here is the spinnerbait I'm throwing. This is a Strike King. It's got the painted blades. Already comes with the trailer hook on it. Really great bait, y'all. Highly recommend. This is the one I was throwing, the chartreuse. But I also picked up a white one here. And the blades are colored like that kind of sexy shad color. That's gonna be a freaking deadly one there too. Usually I use a trailer on my spinner baits, but the skirt is so long on these, you really don't need one. It has a lot of good action. And I think you just get better hookups too. So yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. A lot of editing was involved in this video. Well, for me, I'm sure there's much higher quality works of art out there. But for Frogman, this was quite the endeavor. So let me know if y'all like the editing style. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's a good one. Oh, was that a hit? Nice one. Really nice one, y'all. Biggin. On the wacky worm. She's digging.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
Come here now. Come here. Yo, that's a good one. Might be a 4-pounder. Nice, baby. Hell yeah. That's a heavy fish, y'all. It's about 3.5, 4 pounds. Great way to start the morning. Just throwing that wacky worm. Saw my line swimming off. It's a done deal at that point. Beautiful fish. Oh my God, that was a giant. God, y'all, that was a big one. Big. Biggin. Biggin. Oh, come here. Don't do it. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Beauty. Got her on the trailer hook right after I just lost that other good one too. I'm throwing the Strike King spinnerbait with the painted blades on it. Looks really good in this muddy water. Big. Biggin. Oh my gosh. Don't do it, don't do it. Biggin. Tank. Watched her come up and get it. I've missed like 3 other hits too, y'all. Missed like 3 other bites. Come here. Gotcha. Hell yeah. Another 3.5 pounder, y'all. I love when the water gets muddy in Barton, because these fish that are usually so smart and they can see everything, now you can fool them with artificials. I love when you get muddy water back here. Big one. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Another big one. Big one. That's probably the biggest one, I think. Yep, that's a nice one. Boom, baby. It's about the same size as the other ones, like a good 3.5. Got her by the trailer hook. Another one, another one. Smoking that spinnerbait. Yeah. The other 3 I caught were like around the 3.5 pound range.
Shit. Yesterday, around this time, fucking, I was killing them. There's like 3 pounders and up.
Yeah.
But like half of the ones I was catching were all torn up from them cormorants.
Torn up from what?
Yeah, they're like all of them from the beach and all shit.
I can't hear you. Biggin. Biggin, y'all. Oh my god, just slow rolling it down there. That's a biggin. Come on, baby. Stay pinned. That's a tank. That's a tank. Don't you do it. That's close to 4 right there.
The 4?
It's close to 4.
There's this kid that comes out here with his dad.
Yeah.
Saltwater, salties.
See how big this one is, y'all. She's heavy. 3 pounds, 11 ounces. Damn. That thing crushed it. Holy shit. God dang. Big. Come here, you. Got her. Another biggin. Hell yeah, baby. Woo-wee. They are just lighting this thing up right now. That's not a huge one, but man, just quality, man. Quality. Nice. Another one. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at her pull. God, this is an insane bite I'm on, y'all. Woo-wee. They're hammering this thing. God, they are hammering this thing. This is silly. Alright guys, it's about that time. Pretty solid day, man. I figured I was gonna get on him with that spinnerbait because I knew that water was gonna be real muddy, and that bright chartreuse spinnerbait with the painted blades, man, just did the trick. It is a work day for me today, so I actually do have to work, so I got to cut the trip a little bit early here and get ready for work. I'm really looking forward to the main lake bite when that turns on. I get the trick worm and the spinnerbait on the main lake and the frog, and the next like 3 months are gonna be really freaking good out here. Till the next video, guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay froggy. Peace.